Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I'm very excited to announce that I have upgraded to the G2000, so I can make up to $2,000 in this amazing 12-year-old business, and this business is running like it's brand new. Uh, it's been running since 2014. We have a terrific owner who's still making major updates to the platform in this affiliate marketing space when there's so many new products coming out and everything that everyone's selling. Exitus Elite is still running strong. It's still paying out very good money. And all I can say about Exitus Elite is everything about it is high quality. The owner, Paul Stevenson, he uh, he really make sure that the platform is running well to help us make leads and sales into our businesses. Exisly has no yearly or monthly fees, and everything in the back office is optional. There are some tools that do have a paywall if you want to use them, but they're completely optional. Exodus Elite, right from the default, gives you gorgeous lead capture pages, an autoresponder that goes out to your leads, and all I can say about this business is everything about it is high quality. This is an example of a G1000 sale. I'm going to give you some of my own income proof. I made a G1000 sale a while back. And just to be honest with you guys, never lie to your audience. This is not my commission. This is a commission that a friend of mine made. And if you're going to use somebody else's income, tell people right off the bat that it's not your commission. You're just showing people, because right away when you first get started, you don't have a commission yet. So you want to build momentum and show people what's possible with this business, and be honest. Don't get in the habit of lying to people, because if they find out, it's going to ruin your reputation. That's all I'm going to say about that. So this is an example of a G1000 sale, and this one right here is another example, again, not mine, of a G2000 sale. This is how much I can make now in this business. If I get a G2000 sale, I make a $2,000 commission. Now, here's some examples real quick of, let's see here. Hey everyone, I'm back. I had a little technical difficulty. Here's an example of a Cash App sale I made in Exitus Elite. This one I made actually last month. It came right out of the blue because of all my videos and how much I love this business. So this was a G500 sale I made. Here's an example of a G250 sale I made. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this one is this person was actually at the G100, but he upgraded to the next product level. So in Exitus Elite, when you upgrade to the next product level, you only pay the difference for what you purchased in the last product. So he made a G250 sale, and so he subtracted $100 off of what he paid in the last product. So he came in at when he gave me my commission, he didn't give me 250, he gave me 150. But that's the awesome thing about Exitus Elite. I still get a commission, but that person doesn't have to pay full price when he upgrades to the next product level, because he only pays the difference for what he paid in the G100. So I'm just wanting to quickly show you that. And then here's a G250 sale I made. So I've made a sale at every product level except the G2000, because I just upgraded the other day. So I'm going to show you now how we get paid in Exitus Elite. These are the products in Exitus Elite. So when you pay for your product, you pay the admin fee. Now that admin fee goes directly to Exitus Elite. That money goes to Exitus Elite, and then to pay for the product package, you pay me my commission. So whoever brings you in to pay for the product package, you pay me my commission. So you pay the admin fee and then pay me my commission. So it's that simple. Now, there are three ways we can make money in Exitus Elite. One is you make a sale, you get paid at the place that you're qualified at. So if I get a a G2000 sale, I get $2,000. The other way we get paid in Exitus Elite is, let's say you bring somebody in here at the G100, but this person that came through his system, you make a G2000 sale. So what's going to happen? This person is still going to make his $100, but the remaining $1,900 that's left over of that product gets passed up to me. So this is the residual portion of the Exitus Elite compensation plan. Now, the other way is what I just showed you before. Is another way we get paid is when somebody upgrades. So when I came in at the G250, I paid $299 for the admin fee and then $1,000 to my sponsor. So when I upgraded to the G2000 recently, I subtracted $299 from here and $1,000 to my sponsor. I subtracted $1,000. So instead of coming in at $2,399, I came in at $1,100. So my sponsor still got $1,000 commission from me upgraded. So those are the three ways we get paid in Exitus Elite. Now, what you get with your purchase is digital marketing, business strategies, mindset mastery, financial freedom, and leadership skills. Those are the categories that our Genesis Digital Educational Library gives us. So at the G100, you get 17 courses. At the G250, you get 10 courses. At the G500, you get 13. At the G1000, you get 24. At the G2000, you get 31 courses. So, and they're all video on demand, and we also have audio on demand, and they work on any device. So that's what you get with your purchase. So you get some education in these products as well. So other thing I want to show you right here is, I'm not going to show you my contact list because that has people's personal information in there. But all I'm going to say real quick is you can run everything from this back office. We have lead capture pages right here that you can use. Each level has their own lead capture pages that you unlock at each level. I have every contact now. Like this one I'm using right now. Sure, she's cute, but she doesn't help pay the bills. Stop scrolling cat videos and start building something that actually pays. Now, all these lead capture pages you can use. They're really well made. There's an automatic, professionally written autoresponder that goes out to your leads to promote Exitus Elite. And I absolutely love this business because the lead capture pages are high quality. You don't even you could. I'm only using these pages to make my money. I'm not even using anything that I created. These pages are working very, very well. They're very well made. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's go back to your command center. Now, your command center or your back office, this is what you get. The moment you join, you get full access to a professionally built member back office designed to run your entire business from one place. This is not just a basic dashboard. It is a complete operating system built for serious business owners. Track your sales, manage your leads, access your training, monitor access your training library, monitor your team, confirm payments, run your marketing, all from one clean, powerful interface. You get and this thing is so advanced that you can track what emails that your leads click on. You can see how much of the video they watched, whether it's 25%, 75%, or 100% of the video. You can track what they do. And it's just amazing. All I can say is it's a very, very great online business. And I'm going to show you one more thing here. This is about the history of Exitus Elite. Built to last. While others come and go, we have been paying members consistently since 2014. No rebrands, no resets, no broken promises. Founded in 2024, 11 years paying members, 100% commissions kept. Our story, one promise never broken. Exitus Elite was founded in 2014 with a single mission: create a platform where affiliates keep 100% of their commissions, no company taking cuts, no hidden fees, just direct member to member payments. Handled transparently, paid and paid instantly. For over a decade, we have maintained that promise. While other companies in this space launch with big claims and disappear within months, we have been here consistently paying members, improving our platform, that's huge, and adding value to our digital education library. Longevity in this industry is rare. We wear it with a badge of honor. How we operate: simple by design, no complexity, no small print, just straightforward business built around you. Every dollar goes directly to you. Commissions are paid member to member. We never touch your money, hold your earnings, or take a company cut. What you earn is yours instantly. No monthly fees ever. One membership, one admin fee, lifetime access. No subscriptions, no reoccurring charges, no surprises. You pay once and the platform works for you indefinitely. We keep getting better. The Genesis library grows, the back office improves, the marketing tools evolve. Your membership gets more valuable over time, not less. That is our commitment. And all I can say is that's amazing. Now, when you become a member of my team, you're going to get this page right here. There's all these links where you can promote Exitus Elite on. And we also have the headlines to the ads and all of the ad bodies. All this is here for you. We live in the age of AI now, so you can actually plug these into AI and maybe you can improve how they're written, or you can use them as they are or edit them yourselves. We have more ad copy here, really good talking points, Facebook scripts, a little training about Facebook. So we got all of it. And we also have income proofs here. You can use these, like I said before. If you're going to use somebody else's income proof, don't say it's your income proof. Tell people that this is what's possible in this business, and say it's somebody on my team or somebody else's income proof, but don't say it's yours. So this is all what's possible with this business right here. Exitus Elite is an amazing business. Here's my YouTube channel. If I didn't believe in this business, I never would have joined. I definitely wouldn't have paid as much money as I did right here. I wouldn't have paid this much money if I didn't believe in Exitus Elite. Not to mention even upgrading. So all I can say is I love Exitus Elite. And this is my YouTube channel here. You can scroll down about 4 years worth of videos about Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is my favorite business. I'm not going anywhere. Let's see, how old's my oldest video? I think it's four. I have videos here. Going back 4 years. So I've been in Exitus Elite for 4 years, and every year this business kept improving. And all I can say about Exitus Elite is it's high quality, and I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business. All I can say is go all in your business, go directly to the G2000, because I also forgot to tell you, when you come in at the G250 all the way up to the G2000, all these products unlock for you at no extra cost. So you can start making commissions at all these levels. If you come in at the G250, you get access to all the products, all the lead capture pages, everything. Now, I understand if you can't go all in, um, then come in as high as you possibly afford, because these lower products unlock for you at no extra cost. So I absolutely love this business, and this is what's possible with this business. $2,000 instant commissions, between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions in this business. And we can use PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Venmo, Zelle, whatever it is. Exitus Elite is my favorite business, and I am not going anywhere. I have no desire to join any other business but Exitus Elite. It has everything I need. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about this business, especially since now I can make those $2,000 instant commissions. Exitus Elite is my home for the future, and I'm not going anywhere. So you don't have to worry if I'm going to jump ship and go on to another business. No, Exitus Elite is where I'm going to be for forever. Until, if Exitus Elite ever goes down, which I cannot see that happening, I can still see Exitus Elite still being here 10 years from now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I'm going to do here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you all in the next video. All my contact information is below, is also with all my contact information. Even my phone number, 781-686-6036. You can give me a call. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.